Starting a business in today's digital age requires more than just a good idea and capital. It also demands the right set of tools to streamline operations and maximize efficiency. One of the most transformative technologies that entrepreneurs can leverage is artificial intelligence AI. From automating customer service with chatbots to predictive analytics for market trends, AI tools are revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Let's delve into some of the most impactful AI tools that can help you kickstart your business journey. First, we have AI-powered CRM systems like Salesforce Einstein, which offer personalized customer interactions and data-driven insights. Next, there's machine learning algorithms for inventory management, ensuring you never run out of stock or overstock items. For marketing, tools like HubSpot's AI features can automate email campaigns and segment your audience for targeted messaging. Moreover, AI can assist in financial planning through platforms like QuickBooks, which uses machine learning to categorize expenses and offer budgeting advice. In the realm of content creation, AI can generate written articles, graphic designs, and even videos, saving you both time and resources. Lastly, cybersecurity is another area where AI can offer immense value, identifying vulnerabilities and protecting against data breaches. In conclusion, integrating AI tools into your business strategy can provide a competitive edge, optimize operations, and ultimately drive success.